Okay, Porsche, this game here tonight, tough one.
Yeah, it's really tough. Obviously, Christmas break and New Year left some big sign to some of my players. I can see that, especially those guys who were, abroad. And we got new player who is adjusting, and the team is adjusting on him. But that's not excuse, for playing this kind of type of the games. Njarðvík, they didn't do anything special tonight. They just put a lot of energy on the court, and that energetic part of the game give them a lot of good things, like 49 rebounds against 28. Then you have 25 assists against 9 assists, and that's everything can tell you, about the game. I mean, they were better team, much better tonight, and me and my players, we need to sit and see, all the options, see the game absolutely, and take the lessons of this, because the competition is going really quick, 1-2 months, and we are fighting. Our wish is to play playoff, but we must have different approach. If we want to go, far away like last year, we need to fight for every ball. Exactly, Njarðvík was doing this tonight, but not we.
So in the dressing room after the game, what did you tell the guys? What was the main focus on after the game?
Yeah, just energetic. I can find all excuse for everything, for missing shots, but I cannot find understanding for not fighting on the court, for every ball, rebounding. We know that the team who controlling the rebounds is controlling the game, and 49 against 28, that's enough, just like I say, a lot of energy from Njarðvík guys. Compared with on the other side, we have, just Evan, who was kind of, fit later on, Colin, but that was not enough. So we need more players, in that rotation to give effective moments on the court.
Thank you, Porsche.
Thank you very much.